Bye, bye. Ajay sir! Ajay sir!
Demonstrated blockbuster Drishyam 2. Please give it up for Ajay Devgan, Shreya Saran, Abhishek Bhagat, and the producers Vishal Kumar and Kumar Malik Pathak, accompanied by Secretary IFFI Ministry Shri Apurva Chandra, Managing Director Managing Director, NFTC Shri Ravindra Bankar, Mr. Pratul Kumar, Joint Secretary, Films Ministry of INB. But to start off, I'd like to start off with a question for you, Ajay sir. What was it like shooting this film? You all did Drishyam 1, which was, such a super hit. Was there more pressures the second time round?
No pressure really. It felt like we started from where we had left. Very interesting script, I think we all very excited.
To make an emotional film. And it's a great feeling, honestly, it's a great feeling.
Ajay, this one's for you. You were at the opening ceremony yesterday as well, and today you're here presenting your film at IFFI. How does it feel?
It feels great. Like I said yesterday, we need festivals like IFFI to celebrate art and artists from every kind of field, and they help us, and we are here to help IFFI and support it in every which way.
Thank you, sir.
They're very powerful. So yeah, it was a pleasure being on the set. It was a pleasure being Nandini, and I really enjoyed it. And I hope, as much as I enjoyed being it, you enjoy watching the film and watch it again and again and again. Thank you.
I'm sure we all will. Does it feel hearing, theatres are actually increasing shows and there's such a great response?
See, obviously producer feels happy when the collections are there, and because in Bollywood it's happening after a long time. Last means it happened a long time back, so it's a very happy moment for us as producers and the studio. The films are working back in theatres, so we are very happy about that.
I just follow my instincts, stop thinking like start thinking like, example, Vijay Sabna. That's it.
Thank you, sir. Shreya, what about you? What about you when you have to, get into a new character? What is your process?
I try to imagine myself as Nandini. I try to write a little story about her. But this film is just so well written. I'm so proud of your Abhishek. The story, the dialogue is so beautifully written. When you say them, you just feel Nandini, you just feel her. And of course, I have an amazing co-star. His eyes speak. Oh my God, you're amazing in the film.
You feel so, how does it feel being here on the red carpet for Drishyam, which is already an overwhelming success?
It's really awesome to be here with him. So again, it's RDXGOA film, we all come here for art and all. And we got a great response for the film. After that, we really good feeling. Thank you.
One last question before I let you go. When you initially saw, Drishyam, the original one, Drishyam 2, the original, what was your reaction and what made you, how did you go about with the remake?
I think the first thing that we wanted to take a lot of time on writing again. Because I think it's a great story, but it needs to be told a little differently in